The process of getting a life insurance policy. The first thing you need to do is really determine what your needs are. Understanding each different policy that's out there and seeing what's best tailored to you. Example, a term, a whole life, a universal life. They're all coverage for your life, but they all are coverage in different ways. Once you figure that out, it's very important to know where you are financially and understanding what payment that you can make in this long-term period that won't affect you from living your life. The last thing you want to do is get into a policy and 5 years down the road having to cancel it. A term, knowing that you can make this payment for that amount of years, and with whole life, knowing you can make this payment for your whole life. Once you have all of that figured out, you do research on your own as well as talking to an agent, making sure you have all the proper information. Once yourself and your agent submit an application, then that insurance carrier will process underwriting. Now, depending on your risk type, depending how much coverage you get, you can go through a phone application or you might have to go through a medical examination, because life insurance is not just bought, you do have to qualify for it. And once you qualify, the insurance carrier will assess your risk profile, meaning tobacco, non-tobacco, standard, preferred, and these will determine your rates. So a very healthy person will pay a lot less for the same amount of coverage for a person that smokes cigarettes. Once the insurance carrier sees where that risk level is for yourself, they will now give you that number saying this is where you're at, and you can either approve or deny. Once you approve, that first premium payment is paid, you are now covered. So first, determining what kind of coverage you want. Second, making sure what your budget is, figuring out what carrier is best for you, completing the application, potentially going through a medical examination or a phone interview, and then getting approved or denied.